G'day, mentors, Australian students' secret weapon. Listen up, legends. Ever wished for a shortcut to success? Well, hold on to your akubras because Australian students have a secret weapon mentorship. It's like having a personal guide on your academic adventure. Think of it like this. You wouldn't climb Uluru without an experienced climber, right? Mentorship is all about having someone who's been there, done that, guiding you through the ups and downs of student life. Whether you're wrestling with algebra or figuring out your future career, a mentor can be a game changer. They've got the knowledge, the experience, and the good vibes to help you smash your goals. So if you're keen to boost your grades, build your confidence, and unlock your potential, keep reading. We're about to dive into the wonderful world of mentorship Aussie style. Mates helping mates. What mentorship is all about. Alright mates, let's break it down. What exactly is mentorship anyway? In a nutshell, it's a supportive relationship where a more experienced person, the mentor, shares their wisdom and guidance with someone who's just starting out, the mentee. Think of it like having a trusted mate who's always got your back, someone who's been through the ringer and come out the other side, armed with valuable lessons and advice. Now here's the beauty of mentorship in education. It's not just about hitting the books. Sure, mentors can help you ace those exams, but they can also help you develop essential life skills, like communication, problem solving, and resilience. It's like having a personal cheerleader, coach, and confidant all rolled into one. Someone who believes in you, even when you doubt yourself. And trust me, having that kind of support can make all the difference in the world. True blue success mentorship stories from down under. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real-life Aussie students who've experienced the power of mentorship firsthand. Remember Sarah, the aspiring engineer who was struggling with physics. She was paired with a mentor from a local tech company, and within months, her grades skyrocketed. Not only did her mentor help her grasp the concepts, but she also inspired Sarah to pursue her passion for robotics. And then there's Ben, a first-generation uni student who was feeling lost and overwhelmed. His mentor, a successful entrepreneur, helped him navigate the challenges of university life, build his network, and even land an internship at a top firm. These are just a couple of examples of how mentorship is transforming the lives of Aussie students. It's about more than just academic success. It's about empowering young people to reach their full potential and chase their dreams. Level up your life benefits of having a mentor. Okay, you've heard the stories. Now let's talk benefits. Why should you consider having a mentor? Well, buckle up, because the list is longer than a queue for Bunnings on a Saturday morning. First up, mentors can help you boost your grades. They can offer study tips, provide feedback on your work, and even connect you with valuable resources. It's like having a secret weapon for acing those exams. But it's not all about the books. Mentors can also help you develop essential life skills, like communication, problem solving, and teamwork. These skills are like gold dust in the real world and will set you up for success in any career you choose. Feeling a bit lost or unsure about your future? A mentor can help you clarify your goals and develop a plan to achieve them. They can offer insights into different career paths, share their own experiences, and connect you with people in your field of interest.